There still is a little bit more to go, but we're just trimming the edges, and we actually have all the buckets for each side on the core support cut off so that we can reuse them if needed. Same thing with the battery tray, but that's what we were doing earlier today. We were getting this prepped up. There isn't too much left other than to start cleaning up some cuts and deciding where we're gonna trim this. And so game plan for now is to actually not utilize these stands on both sides. I forget the technical term right now. But regardless, we're not going to utilize both stands right now. We're going to see what we can get away with, because it seems like it's only cinched on the top, like L part of the frame, and then the rest of it is okay. So what we're going to do is try to just maybe like replicate where it was actually bent out on both sides. But it almost seems like if this side was a little bit longer, it'd be clear to just put both on. So that's the only like complication here, but more or less we're just going to figure it out. Seems like we're always here. Take it. Bro, it seems like we're always at the gas station. Huh? Seems like we're always at the gas station. Spilled this shit everywhere. It took less than 5. Oh, they're out of towels. They're out of towels, bro. You gotta sit with it. It smells like gas. What do you mean, bro? It's fucking covered. It stinks.
That's what I can't see a goddamn thing.
Oh, I thought you said you can't smell it, bro. Alright, well, there we go. We fucking got the go-kart all filled up. That's literally gas for a week. It's $4.92. Alright, let's do it. Alright, there we go. That's literally gas for a fucking week for that go-kart.
Yeah, I won't even like go in and grab that 8 cents because you're always putting in your 2 cents.
I think that's crazy progress with part 4 for the WX series today.
Yeah.
And anyways, just been trying to stay like super consistent with that. Just been trying to touch it every day. So I feel like genuinely getting the frame rails pretty straight today. I feel like that'll lead up for next week, being able to put the core support in, and just like trying to get like a rough time frame for this stuff. But either way, like literally not rushing it at all. I think it's turning out great. I just think it's like pretty scary to fucking pull some shit off the ceiling, but I don't know, it's turning out okay. So either way, I'm just excited. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah, bro. Rip that shit. What a good Sunday to be ripping it. Genuinely for part 4, I feel like we got really, really far. Getting this frame actually bent out took a little bit, actually took all day. But genuinely, I feel like right now it's in a really, really good place, and it seemed to have actually twisted the cradle as well. Enough to the point where tomorrow I can actually cut and start to see where I'm actually going to put this, and if I'm actually going to butt weld it or put a proper like brace across and just weld that in, and make them for both sides. But more or less I'm probably just gonna butt weld it and just try to cut as much as strategically as I can, and just honestly follow those up. Probably reuse one of those for that side, for the passenger side. The driver's side I can probably salvage, because the lip on this side is just absolutely dogged. But either way, I feel like that's not going to be that bad at all. And tomorrow is definitely going to be telltale for where strategically this is going to go. All right, so going off of the fact that we did precisely measure each frame off the bottom of the floor and the bottom of the post off to the bottom of the floor, and the difference between the two is less than 1/8 of an inch. So genuinely, I feel like that's good enough to just send it and see where it comes. Well, I like cutting and welding a lot more than I do prepping, grinding, and priming and painting. So I don't know. It'll be fun. This has been part 4, and I really appreciate your guys' support. The support has been unreal, and I definitely, again, wouldn't be doing this without any of you guys. And I feel like we've come so far. Like, this journey has been crazy, but me all just chilling there. And I feel like this Subi is going to be a true testament to getting a car that's like, prime example, off Copart or off even Facebook that somebody wrecked. Like, example, got this one from. It's just prime example of taking that the whole way from being wrecked or finding it at Copart the whole way to a finished proper build. And I feel like there's not that many videos truly explaining and going in depth, truly about, like, I don't know, every single aspect that goes into building it. So I don't know, I'm just trying to leave the camera on a lot more because that's what we do here. We truly take these cars and properly finish them. So I don't know, either way, I'll just see you guys in the next one in part 5. Been trying to keep this going pretty much daily, and we'll just keep going from that. Like I said, we're just not rushing this process. I'm just trying to take it day by day, and genuinely I think that'll just stop when there's not a thing to do on it by the day. But I don't think it's going to stop anytime soon. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.